Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel as Seychelle Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. This is going to be right from 7th of June till 13th of June 2021, though timeless readings, okay? Let's start with your energy. Now there's one card that came out while I was shuffling, and there's also some kind of like a rebirth energy. There might be a Scorpio involved. If not, let's go with the energy flow, okay? There is something that is like at the edge and it's going to be the beginning, okay? I heard like kind of like there is someone who's going to say something like a confession, okay? There's a confession, and you also have I'll be back. So I was talking about confession, okay? And you have this one card that came out. There's Knight of Cups energy. Someone thought it's over, but it's not going to be over. Or someone thought like that kind of energy, and it's going to be different. It's going to be reverse of something. Knight of Cups energy, there might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I said so Scorpio as well in particular. It's connected with the death energy of like ending and beginning, okay? Like a new skin. An apology possible coming, but an approach. This approach will change the whole horizon, like for you, whatever is coming in future. So your heart energy or your overall vibe is all about Knight of Cups energy. It's about what is coming, how you're going to deal with it, or the expression that is coming. This is coming from person, or maybe vice versa, you all know that. But there is someone who is going to open up the matter, okay? Confession. What happened, why something went into like wait zone or got delayed, or someone who was hiding their feelings, or something that was a cover up and felt as though someone is lying. This is going to be confession. Now confession may be that someone lied to you, so why they lied to you, or confession of their feelings as well. Five of Wands energy. I feel, especially with the Knight of Cups and this, I feel whatever was disturbing between you both, whatever was the challenge, because there's also sort of like a competition for the particular person or for you here to understand and acknowledge that why they did what they did or what is happening, because there's a confession definitely. So there's this disturbance that is going to be sorted out, especially when they come around or you go around, or however it goes for you. There's a confession, okay? That why I was fighting with you, why I was having arguments, because I love you kind of energy. This may be as an individual, someone is going through the challenge of their own, life. I heard resolve. Someone gonna resolve this. So it's good for both of you if you are in relationship. There was air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, I think king or queen, and then it was connected with Three of Cups, which is about reunion, and it is also about resolving, celebration of something. Gemini, you're going to live again with the person or within this situation. Living again the moments that you lived. That's what I want you to say. Something is happening with my throat. Resurgence. Call back. Talk to me. Talking it out. Confession. Making peace with the past. You people are going to talk. You people are going to talk. With the Three of Pentacles energy, this is time, or it's time to talk. It's collaboration. Let's make it work, or let's do the mending part. It's also someone who is not doing anything out of sympathy, or they don't want to do it, and that's why they're saying like, if you want to join the forces, or the kind of energy the discussion might be, there's no force. If you want to leave, leave. There shouldn't be any sympathy connected within the relationship that we have. It should be genuine, and that's what the genuine approach is. They're saying that I want to make it work, okay? I feel that kind of energy. Someone does want beginning here. And also have Two of Cups, reunion. Sort of like, okay, fine, let's start from scratch. Can we talk? This is a confession. Look, I've always liked you, always loved you. Okay, can we make it right? Seven of Swords, whatever was hidden, whatever was feelings hidden, or whatever someone thought was a lie or a cover up, or whatever was beneath the layer, is going to be out. The person who's coming around the corner, or vice versa, they are going to clear out the matter from the past, or they really want to clear out. Okay, yes, something happened here, and someone felt at crossroads, and someone felt like you cheated. Okay, what kind of cheat that is? What kind of deception that is? Cheat because of the person, or cheat because they never said something that was supposed to be said and done in that time frame, or someone was not, apologizing for the fact here, or something. Because I see they were not sorry prior. Someone was not sorry prior. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, King of Pentacles, you might be dealing or dealt with, and you're going to deal with again. They know the matter. Someone over here, this card is telling me they know the matter, okay, right now in this energy form. Maybe they're the reason to get things resolved between you and the person, because they know the matter, okay? There's a heavy Taurus as well. Maybe someone you worked with, you had a partnership with, or you just work with. Office, if not that, it's someone you got involved at work. Someone misses you here. They miss you, and that's why there's a confession. They miss you so much. I see here. And the word is coming, they failed to recognize someone's worth or love. Like, they knew it, but they were ignoring it, possible. And if they did it, they are fighting with themselves now, for the fact that they want to talk to you. Like, there's certain kind of challenge now. There's a competition around. If this is around you, they know that they have to fight it strong to get in contact with you. They cannot lie. They cannot hide their feelings anymore. Because there's this love. Okay? Right things will be served. There's also Libra, but justice. I feel like this person is heavy into thoughts of doing something right to unjust situation. Someone who is in love with you, they want this 11-11, but 4 of Wands. They want stability, and looking in the mirror, like in the reflection, 6 of Wands kind of energy, which is not exactly, but it's kind of like someone who does. I'm having itchy here because of this. They want to make things right, and they want to win over this situation. It's not a competition for them, but it's something that they really want. But a competition for the energy who is other than you. Okay. So it's kind of like they know that I have to do it. I feel here that someone is damn serious about you. If they are already with you, then they just want to make it work. If they're married with you, then if they want to get involved with you on that, like in that season, someone is damn serious here. Esquire, sincere and serious. Okay, they want to talk things through and thorough. 0909 recording time. They found you. Finally found you. Someone does want this to go further. So if it is about this person's energy as they want it to go further, they're just hiding what it exactly is. Geminis. 8 of Wands. You're going to have communication with this person. They're going to end up visiting you more if that is possible, or you're going to spend more time here. Things are looking up, okay? The star is the hope. It's also an Aquarius, but the star is in hope, is the hope. Something is coming on top. Okay, like the sharing note. Let's share it. Let's share it. Something is changing here. Archangel Michael, the wheel. A time of positive change. A situation suddenly moves forward. Fortune is on your side. Look, I said so things are looking up, which is very good. At the prime of air. Show us, 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 show us. Six of Waters, which is Six of Cups. I'm sorry, waters, no waters, water. Six of Water. Memories from your history or childhood. Issues regarding children. Romanticizing the past, however it fits you, if it fits you. But there is something that is scattering and you're going to collect them. I see and I heard you're going to collect. Who is in the reflection? I am. Who is in the reflection? I am. Things are going into manifestation. There's something I talk to you. I wanna talk to you. There's 9 of Water, 3 of Water. Reunion is happening here, guys. Kindred spirits coming together. Manifestation, 9 of Water. Wow. Your wish comes true. Concerns fade away. A love of life. That's what we talked about. It's coming. 6 of Water, 9 of Water, 3 of Water. Amazing energy. And it's like, I found you. Dolphin found you. Kind of. A celebration, a wedding, graduation, or birth announcement. The need to have more fun. Interesting cards. Enjoy this time, okay? If people are coming together, do come along. This is beautiful energy of the wheel. 6 of Water, which is 6 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and I just love this. Your energy is blooming in the future, okay? There's nothing that's going to be in the unjust situation. I feel someone does want to make it right, or even if it's both of you, obviously. You're going to make it right. It's for the home and the relationship and the connection. Anything else? No. I'm done. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.